morning from South Korea. It is about 27 degrees Fahrenheit on, let's see, January 28th. We are headed out for a run. Have a great day. Find what motivates you. Captain Ronald Bond MIA, 1971. Thank you for your service and sacrifice, sir. Couldn't find where I put my GoPro, so we are recording this on the iPhone SE 2020 model. Let's see how it goes. Have a great day. All right, 7.5 miles at about a 9-minute pace, just slow and steady. It was a good jog today. Have a great day. Find what motivates you.